Hello everyone, my name is Jaza Ansari and today I will be explaining how do we make balloon powered car. Yes, you heard it right. Today we will be learning to make a balloon powered car. So let's get started. Firstly, let us understand what is a balloon powered car. A balloon powered car is a car that is powered by the elastic energy of a balloon. This car converts potential energy into kinetic energy, unlike normal cars which convert chemical energy into kinetic energy. This balloon power car is super easy to make and easy to use and is loaded with physics and engineering concepts. The objective of balloon powered car is to observe and describe the conversion of energy from potential energy to kinetic energy. In order to make a balloon powered car, you will need a juice box carton or a cardboard, 2 skewers, cutter or scissor, 2 straws, duct tape, 1 balloon of color of your choice, 4 caps of the same size, and a ruler. Now let us understand the steps to make a balloon powered car. Firstly, you take a small juice box or a cardboard and you paint the pack or the cardboard in the color you want your car to be. Next, you take a straw and cut it out of the same width as the juice box or your cardboard. You need to make sure that you cut the straw from the smooth side and not from the bent part of the straw. Next, you tape the straws to the front part of the cardboard. You keep the box down so that the front side is facing you. Next, you place the straws down on the top side about ½ inch away from the top and bottom edges. Next, fix the straws to the box with a strip of tape. They will hold the axles and wheels in place. Let us now understand the theory behind this balloon powered car. The material of the balloon is elastic, as we all know, and it stores potential energy when it is filled with air. When the air in the balloon is released, the potential energy is converted into the energy of motion, which we commonly call as kinetic energy. It is due to this energy that the car is propelled forward. The more potential energy stored in the balloon, the more kinetic energy the car will have when you let it go. Additionally, some of the energy is also converted to heat due to friction. According to the law of conservation of energy, the total amount of energy of the system is conserved. Energy never disappears. It just changes from one form to another. This car also contains a simple machine as it is made of a wheel and axle. Getting the wheel and axle to spin smoothly is a critical part of the smooth working and functioning of your balloon car. I would like to end this video with a lovely quote. For a small child, there is no division between playing and learning, between things he or she does just for fun and the things that are educational. The child learns while living, and any part of living that is enjoyable is also play. Thank you for watching.